Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to the new episode of Game Changer. Today's episode is very special because it is airing on the day when we are celebrating women. So first of all, a very happy Women's Day to all the ladies watching this episode. Tata Power has always focused on women empowerment by providing them new avenues for their growth and development. As part of their initiative, Power Her Up, Tata Power has set up country's first all-women CRC Customer Relations Center at Andheri West, Mumbai. This customer center is managed by the team of 7 incredible ladies. They are trained to handle customer services such as new power supply application, monthly bill payments, and other customer-related services including addressing to customer concerns and queries. All the functions including security at this CRC is handled by women. After the success of its first all-women CRC, company expanded to other locations like Khar, Ghatkopar and other parts of the country like Ajmer, Cuttack and Puri. Tata Power DDL team also is operating 2 such women-led CRCs, and currently we have more than 50 women employed at these CRCs. Apart from opening the power sector to offer more job opportunities to women, at the same time Tata Power All Company, the all-women CRC is company's first major move to address its women customers better. It is also an ideal platform for the company's women employees to showcase their ability and to independently manage and operate a full-fledged customer relations center.
टाटा पावर से जुड़ने के बाद मैं प्रोफेशनलिज्म और आत्मविश्वास में सुधार लाई हूँ और जो न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी और स्मार्ट वर्किंग की वजह से मेरे भविष्य में मुझे बहुत मदत करेगा.
टाटा पॉवरमध्ये काम करताना फार छान वाटतं आहे. हा आमचा जो काही डेलीचा एक्सपिरियन्स आहे तो एकदम अभिमानास्पद आहे.
जब से मैंने ऑल वुमेन सीआरसी में काम करना चालू कर लिया तब से मेरा आत्मविश्वास बहुत इंक्रीज हो चुका है और जो मुझे पब्लिक फियर था वो भी मेरा रिड्यूस हो चुका है.
टाटा पॉवर ऑल वुमन CRCमध्ये मी गेल्या 2 वर्षापासून कॅशियर या पदावर काम करते. टाटा पॉवर ऑल वुमन CRCमध्ये काम करण्याचा माझा अनुभव खूप छान आहे.
Tata Group gives great importance to the diversity and inclusion program in the company, and Tata Power also does the same. In Mumbai distribution, we have significant number of women employees with us. To give these women employees an opportunity and chance and the proper prominence, we decided to commission a customer relations center with only women employees, and I am very happy and proud to say that these women are doing an outstanding job. Going forward, based on our experience with the all-women CRC, we feel encouraged to think of even another CRC which will be managed by the women team, and it would be a dream come true also for us if we can put one divisional O&M maintenance team of women in charge of one of the zones. So we are committed and to support the D&I initiative of the Tata Power, and we will work towards it.
This is basically to give encouragement to the traits our women employees have and to build confidence among them that they can independently run a CRC. The element of women empowerment was there behind starting this initiative, and after starting this first CRC in Mumbai, we have started 3 more CRCs which is a success story of this initiative.
We have a well-defined process structure in that we can easily log customers' query, request and complaint in that our system only.
सिक्युरिटी गार्डपासून सर्व हाऊसकीपिंगपर्यंत आम्ही सर्व महिलाच काम करत आहोत आणि हे सर्व सेंटर आम्ही चालवतो.
माझं नाव मीनाक्षी रावल आहे. मला 2 वर्ष झाली टाटा पॉवरमध्ये. मला खूप कौतुक वाटते की मी सिक्युरिटी गार्ड म्हणून CRCमध्ये जॉब करते. मला खूप बरं वाटतं त्याच्यामध्ये.
हमें यहाँ बहुत ही हार्डवर्क और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, जिससे हमारा यही मोटिव होता है कि हम कंज्यूमर की सारी क्वेरी सॉल्व कर दें.
महिला सशक्तिकरण उपर सरकार बहुत ध्यान दौरान तेणु महिला सशक्तिकरण पाई टाटा पावर भी महिला सशक्तिकरण दिगरे बहुत पदक्षेप नौकरी. आम भी तार ज्वलंत उदाहरण काम करी आमको बहुत खुशी लगुच, निजक बहुत सेफ फील हो आम ये कम करुचु. सब प्रकार सुविधा अच्छी कौन सी.
And the journey doesn't stop here. We are developing many more such all-women CRCs in the different parts of the country. Stay tuned for the next episode of The Game Changer. Thank you.